Let's now have a look at scheduling options and how to share and publish content. Generally speaking, what you will do is within a post creation flow, either the guided post creation flow or the manual post creation flow, you will at some point be at a stage where you've developed all your content, attached images of some kind, and are ready to publish the post. Now, instead of publishing right away, what you want to be doing is you want to schedule content ahead of time. You do this by navigating to the schedule post button. First of all, you have the option, if you already have a date and time in mind, you can select that day and select a time manually for each social media channel when this post would go live. Alternatively, you can also just determine the date and then have VirtusNova recommend the best times for you per social media channel for that selected day. Understand that you can also just scroll a bit further down to see the option if you do not have a date and time in mind. What happens here is if we click on this button, we automatically get the next available date suggested for us to schedule our piece of content at the best time possible on that date based on the post frequency. Now let's go ahead and navigate back to where we see that, which is within the brand section, we have the post scheduling functionality. And here, first of all, we see the scheduling time zone. This is very important because here, this is the time zone at which our post would go live for each individual social media channel based on the brand which you have selected. Further down, we then see the posting frequency per channel. What this does is that, for example, if we click on the button to recommend the date and time, then VirtusNova looks at your determined post frequency and provides you the next available date in line and automatically suggests the best possible time to post at. I have it set up over here that we schedule content only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We want 3 posts per week, and the maximum number of posts per day is 1. You can really feel free to go ahead and choose something that suits your specific needs. Based on these selections, if we go back into our calendar and open up one of our drafts, we can then go ahead and schedule directly from here. And now we know what it means that if we select a date and time that VirtusNova suggests. So over here, we have the 23rd of March. We don't have any content scheduled for this week yet on the channel that we're posting and scheduling the content from right now. Hence, we see all future dates here. The more and more content you have within your calendar, the more, of course, these dates will lie automatically in the future. Whereas weeks and days which already have content scheduled as per your post frequency would not be shown here for you. Whereas, of course, at any point in time, you can always switch to this section up top over here and override the post frequency that you have determined. Alternatively, to scheduling content ahead of time, there's always the possibility to publish a post instantly, such as the one which we have over here in LinkedIn. We can go ahead and edit it again and click on the Share Now button. You will always see a Share Now or scheduling option available when you're viewing or editing regular drafts, or when you're viewing and editing scheduled content. What is absolutely amazing as well is that you can go ahead and look at previously published content and actually go ahead and duplicate this into your drafts, making it very quickly possible and accessible for you to actually repost content that, for example, already worked well in the